Reverse
If you're over the age
mortgage.
of
Why
62
going to
and
your
thought about
children
getting a
for
reverse
advice may
mortgage,
not be
you
the
need to hear
best.
this. I understand that most of you are going to go to your children for advice, but unfortunately, sometimes going to your children for advice on a reverse mortgage is not a good idea. And I'm speaking from a son's perspective and point of view. Number one, your children are going to lack the knowledge that it comes to a reverse mortgage. While your children may be knowledgeable in other matters and may have the expertise, the thought of understanding a reverse mortgage and not being in it on a daily basis is going to be very difficult to comprehend. It's also very important to seek advice from a professional such as financial advisor who has experience with working with seniors and understands the nuances of this type of loan. Unfortunately, your children will have emotional attachments. They may have an emotional attachment to the property and may be hesitant to advise you to take out a reverse mortgage because they'll be scared of their inheritance. While this may be a concern about your financial well-being, they may not fully understand the benefits that a reverse mortgage can do for you while overlooking a viable option that is for you. There's generational differences as well. Your children come from a different generation that may not fully understand the unique financial challenges facing seniors today, such as all-time high inflation, Social Security barely budging, you being on a fixed income. They might not appreciate the impact also of rising healthcare costs, inflation, and other financial pressures that can be alleviated with a reverse mortgage. Sometimes your children have personal biases. They might have their own biases and preferences that may not align with your needs and goals. They may be focused on their own financial priorities or fully not understand your financial situation, making it difficult for them to provide accurate advice. Let's face it, parents don't want to tell their children they're in a bind. It's always, I'm okay, everything's fine, I'll work until I can. I think this needs to stop. I think a lot of parents should start being honest with their kids about their financial situation, because the last thing that you want to happen is wait till the last minute, possibly not even qualify for the program, need health care, need additional funds, maybe need a line of credit to have access to, and you won't be able to be eligible for it. So please have conversations with your kids. Be honest with them. If you're living on a small Social Security and pension, it's very important for you to let your kids know, hey, you know what, mom and dad are struggling a little bit right now. The mortgage payment is a little bit too much. We can use a new car. Our water heater is breaking. Our HVAC is old. It looks like we might need a new roof. Be honest with your kids. Countless times again, I have seen these homes being so dilapidated. And when these kids that are living out of town come to see their parents, or when it comes to me having conversations with them about a reverse mortgage, they come to the property and they can't believe the state that it's in. But this is because you're not being honest with your children. Please be honest with your children. They deserve that from you. A lot of your kids will have misconceptions about reverse mortgages because of the media, because of the bad propaganda that we've witnessed over the years, because of the neighbors, because of the friends telling each other, oh, have you heard Susie lost her house to a reverse mortgage, or the bank foreclosed. Does this happen? It does, but it always happens for a reason. And most of the time, it's not paying for property taxes, which you are always supposed to do, neglecting to pay your homeowner's insurance, or you stop completely maintaining your home where you have a code violation and it gets to the point where the bank has to foreclose. If you have any questions, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give us a comment, give us a share, but please be honest with your children. They deserve it. Thank you.